Are you a trader looking for a good setup to trade this week? This video is for you. So let's get started with our weekly analysis for the major pairs. So we'll be starting with the EURUSD. EURUSD on my daily chart still have a downtrend structure. So long we have this downtrend structure, we'll be looking for selling opportunity on the EURUSD. So what we expect for EURUSD this week, we expect price to, for us to look for a sell opportunity, we expect price to take out this inner structure before we look at for selling opportunity. So we expect price to break out this inner structure, which is we expect price to break this level, then we expect to retest before we can start looking for selling opportunity for the EURUSD to this next support level. You can see that currently we have a major structure, which is this. We have a higher high here, we have a lower high, and price has closed below this lower low. So we now have our new lower low at this level. So long we have a new lower low at this level, and we have this series of higher low of inner structure. So we expect price to break this level, then do a retest before start looking for a selling opportunity from this level, because EURUSD remain on a downtrend for this coming week. So we'll be selling the EURUSD to this. Our first target will be this level, then our second target will be this support level for the EURUSD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the EURUSD. So on the weekly chart, we see our price on this weekly resistance. You can see price rejected from this weekly resistance level. So long we have price rejected from this resistance level, so we expect this level will be our next support level. So we expect price to test this next support level on EURUSD this week. So expect more downtrend on the EURUSD. So based on our daily structure, we have to wait for price to break this our inner structure low. Then we expect a retest before we look for any possible selling opportunity for EURUSD. So let's look at our next pair, which is the GBPUSD. GBPUSD on my daily chart still have downtrend structure. We still have a series of lower high. We have higher high, then we have a lower high, then we have a lower high, then we also have a lower high this level. So we're expecting the GBPUSD continue to push lower this week. So we expect price to take this level, then we wait for retest, then we'll see further sell for the GBPUSD. So we're looking for more selling opportunity on GBPUSD with our target to this level for the GBPUSD this coming week. So let's look at the higher time frame, which is the weekly chart, to see if the weekly chart support our selling opportunity for the GBPUSD this week. So on my weekly chart, you can see that price closed on the weekly resistance level. Seeing price on this weekly resistance level indicates price reversal for the GBPUSD to the next weekly support level, which is we expect price to move to this next support level. Then we also have a support level at this area. So if price breaks this support level, we expect price to move to this next support level for the GBPUSD. So we're looking for selling opportunity for the GBPUSD this week, because our structure on the daily chart is on a downtrend, and we also have price close on a weekly resistance level, which indicates sell opportunity for the GBPUSD. So we'll be looking for sell opportunity for GBPUSD this coming week. So our first target will be this resistance level. So our first target will be this resistance level, this weekly resistance, and our second target will be this next weekly resistance support level. Our first target will be this support level, second target this support level. So we expect more sell opportunity on the GBPUSD this coming week. So if you want to get our free signals, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. So let's continue with our analysis. Let's look at our next pair, which is the AUDUSD. So AUDUSD on my daily chart still have a downtrend structure on AUDUSD. So we can see that we have a higher high, then we have a lower high. This indicates a shift in trend. So before we can sell the AUDUSD, we expect price to break below this level before we can start looking for any selling opportunity on the AUDUSD this week. So expect price to break below this higher low. Once we see price below this higher low, we start looking for selling opportunity on the Australia USD. Once we see price below this level, then we start looking for selling opportunity for the Australia USD to the month side. So we expect more sell on Australia USD, but we have no confirmation yet on Australia USD. So we wait for price to break below this level before we start looking for sell opportunity from this level for the Australia USD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Australia USD. Let's look at the weekly chart of the Australia USD. So on my weekly chart, you can see that price closed on the weekly resistance level. So these levels, they are all resistance level on the weekly chart. You see our price on this resistance level on the weekly chart. So long we have price on this resistance level, we expect more sell opportunity for the Australia USD this coming week. Just that our structure is on the daily chart still not support the sell opportunity on the Australia USD. So we'll stay aside on the Australia USD for now until we get a clear direction for us to sell the Australia USD. So wait for price to break below that this lower low, then wait for a test before we can sell the Australia USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is the gold USD. Gold has been on a range for months now. Price has been on the sideways from gold for months now. So we'll stay neutral on gold USD until we see price close below this level. Before we start looking for selling opportunities. Until we see price close below this level, then we can start looking for selling opportunity for the gold. So for gold for now, we will still remain neutral on the gold USD, and we also expect price to break this our trend line before we can look at any possible opportunity. If we see price breaking this trend line, before we can start looking for any possible opportunity on the gold USD. So we expect price to break for gold. We expect price to break this level, then wait for a test, then we'll look at to sell opportunity. Then for the buy scenario, we expect price to break this high, wait for a test, look at to buy an opportunity for gold USD. So we'll be waiting for price to break out of this our wedge before we look at any possible opportunity. If you break up to the upside, look at to buy an opportunity. If you break to the downside, look at to sell an opportunity. Because we see half price still in range for gold USD. You can see that we see half range pricing on range on the gold USD. So we have no option for gold USD for now. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. So let's summarize our analysis and the opportunity you have to trade this week. So we said we're expecting Euro USD. So we expect Euro USD to break below before we look at a selling opportunity for the Euro USD. While for pounds USD, we can start to sell the pounds USD now, because currently we have our price run set up on pounds USD because we have a downtrend structure and we have this price run set up already indicating a sell for us. So I'm currently on the pounds USD. I sell from this level, so I still expect more sell. My first target is this next support level, and my second target to be this other support level. So we expect more pounds USD to sell more this week. So look out for more selling opportunity on the pounds USD to this next support level this coming week. If you find this trade analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and forex analysis. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.